Right, so the Billy question, the dreaded Billy question, which I've spent ages thinking about, and I spoke to Miss Hales about it as well, and she came up with a solution. I think part of the problem, one of the parents, I can't remember who now, wrote in saying about the decimal point as well, because during some of the working out, depending on how you're rounding it, I think that will affect the answer as well. So I wouldn't worry too much about whether it says if you're a couple pounds out, because that's probably depending on how you're rounding as you work your way through. But generally, the key to it is just working out what 1 month is. Then you can work out the percentage, and then everything else just falls into place. So I've already written it out, because to try and make a video at the same time as working it out would be beyond me. And second of all, just be aware the numbers are probably different. When you've logged in, it looks like My Maths has 3 or 4 different versions of each question. So every time you log in, it will be something slightly different. So here it is with these numbers anyway. So Billy is earning 64,000 a year. So if we divide it by 52, we can see he makes this much every week, 1,230 and 77 pence. So by timesing it by 4, we can work out his monthly salary, £4,923 and 8 pence. And this is where the rounding might start to vary your answers a little bit. So now we know what he's earning a month. Now we can give him the holiday loading. We can add an extra 17.5% on. So find 17.5 or times it by 0.175 and we get this much. So this is going to be his holiday bonus. This is how much extra he gets for those 4 weeks of his holiday. So if we add it back onto his monthly salary, we see that the money he makes during his holiday pay would be £5,784. So it's his normal monthly salary plus an extra 17.5%. It is really difficult. It's by far the most difficult one out of all the other questions, and it really stumped me as well. So thank you, Miss Hales, for helping out on this one too. And like I said, if you're slightly off, I think it's because of the rounding, because I know I did it one time and it didn't work out, and then I've tried it another one and it did. But when it's out, it's only out by a small amount. So it depends on whether you round each part of it to the nearest pence or whether you just wait until the end and then round. Okay. All right, that's part 2. For part 3, I'll do today as well, which is the question 2, the harder questions, which I don't actually think are as hard, but then I've not really given them a good look yet. So they'll be available on the YouTube channel later on today, or at the very latest, they'll be ready for you in the morning if they turn out to be harder than I think. Okay, take care everyone, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.